Mala kurun wang agan Chibran Bol kana International Radio America. Raja ka katong nat katong ne tanat ka jen run wang am guan wo te ka tiba ladye tibia liang diel nok ka bia rodun palpin ka ke. And wala a chanka jandang rawa with a badak ka paya rawda ron kisne dang rawa with a well badak. Wunu yala gar kire chatwar kada wone ne kada na yala chali she yalpech. Ine ne I ber biya ke ba yabe nyol wi kun muku yendor kun an maraja jorde an wala a deportation ka gad content wa ba deport a US to South Sudan men chitwok jene an charai ke lawyer an kula immigration lawyer and wo ban deportation ban prevent a wooden N.I.R.A community development services under the leadership of Guy Chok Dere warga gor, but warga mo dere support ne parents. Tin corner te God, tin ba deport. Lawyer immigration raya jalat jane. And wo ba deportation gun to quick South Sudan. Ko Rudian medan venung kan God ti ke 2 years old to kan lekien barar ngur Turkey ta ka dai fare. Quick kan South Sudan. Ko kon de ko kula wonyo wo South Sudan ye wedien. Kon ne did titin kula te ga kan kon ngai jo to wo jo moyo we dan kan quick ne ai chang de ran deport ko kon ne did ti ngai ju tar cheng ndan de wutin cha de wo nyot ji ndo ru gola ngai ju gwade but God kon de ti to kwala deport ti kon kula absent jordan ti chu kon case ni ken chu kon ko gur quick kan South Sudan mugur yana yan parent dial te ga ten kon ba deport mugur yana wo ga de ba deportation da ba perben lawyer immigration jalara wo gur UT 3000 ka gatkel 3000 ka gatkel kana tame cha ko remove ka Louisiana me de deport in cha ko ngo Texas kan gad kono to shi lawyer ko lara wo jin chi brown bol yen N.I.R.A community tele ye fa war me kan parent ka gad to me karan ben ka yakel ko de yen ko le jalkel de yen ko le shirka lawyer N.I.R.A community. But the parent, they go kula bendeka identity of gut, time to gut, to gut, baby, ja roll me, that have been a filan, and then they case kula berry alaka. Come man gada kia one gada, by jalka UT $3,000. Gat kel betaka UT $3,000, ka lawyer. Ko dungu the case state, 8 yan yatin, there are $2,000. Ko jananga deportation, immigration jail, and leave an order a yen. Mugur ye wo be perben